So I wanted to show off the first project in the Getting Started Processing book that I got past evening when I had a little extra time to learn processing. And this is the book, and it's by Casey Rees and Ben Fry. It's about $20 on Amazon. I think I got it for 19 or 17, but I'll put a link on the book. But it's a really great book if you just want to jump in and get started right away and kind of have a guided way to do this. I prefer to learn from books like this, and so but there's lots of free resources out there. But one of the things that I really liked about it was the Getting Started project that they had in here. And there's something really powerful about a Getting Started project that really does something right away, so you can kind of capture imagination. And so the first project, it's making circles. So you actually go and you make a circle first, and then you make the circle do something, and then they kind of talk through about how to make the circle do something. So definitely scope out this book. I highly recommend it. I've really enjoyed using this as a resource. So the point of the video, though, is to kind of let you maybe try out the example project yourself and see what you think about it. So the code that you'll be looking at is right here, and so the first beginning of it is void setup. This is to kind of say that we're starting a program. So I'll just put little comments here, starting a program. And then here is where we dictate the window size. So here it's 480 by 120. This is going to be a long square one. So the purpose of this video, though, I will change this to a nice square. And so we'll have a 600 pixel by 600 pixel square pop-up. And then smooth is just to kind of smooth out the mouse motions, because we'll be using the mouse to move around. Now here's the actual program, so that we'll be running. So first it's like if there's a mouse press, so basically this is a if statement that anyone who's programmed before you'll have if you've never programmed. It's basically the condition, like when I press the mouse. Fill black. So there is a circle that we'll be filling. Otherwise, fill, so the other condition, otherwise fill white. So basically what this says is if the mouse is pressed, then fill the circle black. If it's not, then fill the circle white. Okay? Now let's kind of talk about the circle. So the circle here is ellipse, and so what it is that it's saying use the x-coordinate as the center wherever the mouse is, and the y-coordinate wherever the mouse is. So it'll be updating wherever we move the mouse, and the diameter will be it'll be 80 from the center, and 80 width and 80 height. So if we change this, we can actually change this to 40 and 40, and we'll have a smaller one. So it is use the center of the circle as the mouse X and mouse Y, and diameter and height. All right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so you see the window is up, and the window is about 600 by 600, so it's a nice square. It's a nice square window, and there's a little circle, and the circle is 40 by 40, so diameter, height. Now the center of the circle moves every time I move the mouse, and that's what I'm doing right now. So now the test will be when I press the mouse, so I'm pressing the mouse. A black mark wherever I do it. So that's your first example project, and it kind of opens your minds for possibilities. I used this project and I ran with it and made a penguin that will be in my next vlog. So just to give you an example, so here I just changed I changed the width to be 80, and the height is still 40, so I should have an oval this time. And I hit play. And now I have an oval. Same thing. So anyways, so I hope you enjoy.